What are we doing, Ben?
Resurrecting the old...
Look at that piece of machinery.
That is vintage.
That is vintage, I'd say.
That helmet you saw?
Look at that seat.
Mint.
It's in good shape.
This thing here took a beating, but that's fine.
That's not even that bad. I can't believe the seat's in such good shape. I'd help you, but I gotta film. On the way to Ben's place, once again, he has something to show us, and something new to add to our fleet once more. And it is already raining, which leads me to believe that I'm gonna regret what I've chosen to wear very soon. Let's see what the old boy's up to. Look at that thing!
I don't know if you're showing up with this fucking thing or towing this behind the bike, or I don't know how that was gonna go.
What are you doing after work having a freezy?
Having a freezy.
Not bad.
I got some if you want one.
I might have to have one. Stealing Ben's blue freezies because I know those are the ones he likes. What the hell is that?
Isn't it fucking sweet?
What year is that from?
2018.
Is that your new crotch rocket?
Yeah.
Look at that thing.
It's got the flip up visor and everything. When I don't want to wear this. Yeah.
Sex offenders.
Age appropriate, eh? They all work together. I went downtown like this the other day and there was some real fucking confused people.
Little boys beware.
That and retro helmet and crotch rocket and boots and cars.
You look good.
I think so.
Yeah.
I don't care what anyone thinks.
No, you shouldn't.
Didn't see any burgers. Sorry, bud. No burgers for you, doggy. You can smell it too. He's coming up to get a treat. Not today.
Dude, you are a lot more tame than I last remember you being.
He's a little grayer too.
Yeah. Are we gonna find it?
It's in there somewhere.
What are we doing, Ben?
Resurrecting the old...
Look at that piece of machinery.
That is vintage.
That is vintage, I'd say.
That helmet you saw?
Look at that seat.
Mint.
It's in good shape.
This thing here took a beating, but that's fine.
That's not even that bad. I can't believe the seat's in such good shape.
No, eh?
Yeah, you might be able to.
It might.
That is actually a lot more bike than I was expecting. It's like, it is a full-size bike. It's like what the size what 250s are now. What is that thing?
So, 125.
125.
This is freaking kickstart there for the welded on lots. Feel all that compression. That's good, eh?
Yep. Well, let's get her out and I'll have a look at her and I'll see if I can get her going. Look at this thing. Nice.
Told you. Signature banana peel on the front there.
Look at that thing. Kickstand up. Right? Kickstand works?
Yeah.
Wow, man. That's a lot more bike than I expected it to be.
Oh, it's a full dirt bike. I was telling you.
That is...
It might even have been road legal because it does have a tail light here, eh?
Well, I don't know. It wouldn't have been road legal, but like...
Well, it may have had a headlight though, right? At some point.
Yeah, but to be road legal, you need to have mirrors and
Well,
speedo and...
this thing was on the farm its whole life. It could have had lots of things, but we don't know that, do we?
Wow. I can't believe how good shape the seat is in. Look at that. It's like brand new. Look at that engine. There's nothing to it.
No, that'll be.
Look how easy that is to work
This is
on.
gonna be an easy project for someone like you. Oh man, check out that air filter.
Yeah.
Is supposed to be a cover on here? Or is this broken? This is broken, I think.
I would say there's probably supposed to be something in there, otherwise it's just a bucket of water.
I thought the case was cracked, but no, it's dirt. I guarantee you it will run.
Well, let's get it loaded up and back to the shop. And I'll start working on it. Yeah, it needs some stuff, but
oh, yeah, we got clutch. We got it all. It's all here.
it's all here.
Yeah, it ran when it parked. It's just something was going on down here, and I'm spraying my leg with gasoline. It's been parked for 9 years, I'd say. I was thinking about that when you said we should dig this thing out.
9 years it's been parked there.
9 years it's been parked in the shop there.
Well, I can get it running for sure.
Yeah.
And then I'll get it running first, and we'll see what see how that top end's doing. We'll do a pressure test on it.
A rebuild one cost a bunch of money, anyways.
Oh, I could probably have this thing rebuilt for $200.
Let's keep track of budget. We'll do a budget chart on this thing so we
Okay.
can
Yep.
see what it takes to resurrect something like this in case someone at home's.
Well, this one's in good shape. Like overall, it's in good shape.
Yeah.
Like even looking at the tires and stuff like that. Well, that tire's really rotted out actually.
Yeah.
Have to do a tire on the front anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, I'll let you know. We'll do a budget on it. Bikes like this, you never see. Are you gonna tie that thing in with a tow rope?
So we just want to hold it upright, I guess,
Yeah. I don't know. I know almost nothing about tying bikes down. I always see people wedge the handlebars or the wheel into a corner or something like that.
Yeah, they always get that in the front corner and they just tie it forward. And then something across the bars here. We'll see what we can figure out.
Yeah, I know nothing about tying bikes down for a guy who does this for a living. There you go.
We're not gonna get too crazy. Custom.
We'll leave the kickstart. Looks good like that.
Looks like some sucker rock just freaking cut and welded on a 45.
I'm excited, man. I love this. Awesome. Well, let's take her home.
See what we can see.
See what we can see.
Nothing beat.
That's all you need, huh?
That's it.
That will work. Park her nice and close to this Yamaha over here.
This clean garage and a dirty bike.
Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna be working on that tomorrow.
Better than a solid tail. Not much, but it's good. Eh?
It's good. Better than 14 pounds in the back.
Like a newer YZ125, you're freaking. This seat would be down here, but my feet are just sitting on the ground nicely. This is
It's a full-size bike.
a full-size bike.
Look at this thing! Mint. Mint, no! The old Yamaha right next to the new one. Awesome. We officially have another build on the go. We don't know much about this bike. Actually, you know what? If anyone can tell me anything about this bike, I believe it's a Yamaha, either from the 80s, maybe even the 70s. It's 125. If you can tell me anything about this bike, I would actually appreciate it. Just by looking at it, if you can tell what it is, or anything like that. Because I'm gonna need to start sourcing parts for this thing and start working on it. So I'm super excited to start this new build, and we're gonna have it running right away, I'm hoping. We're gonna start with just getting it running, and we'll decide from there. Thanks everybody for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more on this bike because we're gonna be working on it very soon. Thanks for everybody for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
It's got the flip up visor and everything. Gotta button it on. But when I don't want to wear this. Yeah.
Sex offenders.
Age appropriate, eh? They all work together. I went downtown like this the other day and there was some real fucking confused people.